Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to deactivate Instagram without waiting a week. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's do it. When you're on Instagram, you have to go to instagram.com. You can't be on the app, so that's where I'm right now. When you're trying to deactivate your account, however, when you're deactivating your account, one thing to know is that you're not technically supposed to or be allowed to deactivate. Reactivating and deactivating again within the same week. You have to wait for a period of 10 days before reactivating or deactivating your account. So, for example, if I just delete the account, then tomorrow I want to go on it again, I just log back in, but I can't do that on the same day, deactivate the account again. However, there is a way around it and I'm going to show you right now. If I'm on Instagram.com, what you want to do is get out and go to your phone settings. Then from there, you'll find the date and time. Right now, mine is set to automatically. What we want to do is make it so it's not use network provided time. Toggling that off and then clicking on the date. And we want to fast forward a week. We're tricking the phone and tricking Instagram into thinking it's been a whole week so that you can go ahead and reactivate or deactivate your account. Now, I just make it maybe a day after the week just to be careful. Once you're done with that, you can save that by going out on that. You can go out and relog in. So, log out of your Instagram, then log back in, then go to the same steps you were before. So, you'll go to the profile, edit profile, go all the way down, and press temporarily deactivate my account. Go through whatever your reason is, your password, and then temporarily disable, and you'll be able to deactivate the account. If you guys have any question, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and like.